In today's video, we will fix the Lenovo ThinkPad docking station not detecting monitor. External display fix. The fix 1. Perform a hard power cycle. Unplug the docking station from your ThinkPad. Disconnect all monitor and USB devices and accessories connected to the dock. Unplug the dock power adapter from the wall outlet and shut down your ThinkPad completely. Now press and hold the laptop power button for at least 15 to 20 seconds to drain any remaining power. Now reconnect the dock station power adapter and connect the dock to your ThinkPad and turn the laptop back on. Then wait a few moments for Windows to re-stabilize the display connection. Fix 2. Verify cables and physical connection. Check that the HDMI display port or USB-C cable is firmly connected to both the monitor and the dock. Now disconnect and reconnect each cable to ensure a secure fit. Now inspect the cable for visible damage, bent pins or a wear. Now try using a different certified video cable if available. For 4K display, use HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 or DisplayPort 1.4 certified cables. Then connect the monitor directly to the ThinkPad to confirm the monitor itself is functioning properly. Fix 3. Update dock firmware and system driver. So, open the Lenovo Vantage application on your ThinkPad. Now select System Update and scan for available update. Then install all recommended dock firmware, BIOS, chipset and system update. Then you can visit the Lenovo support page and download any specific firmware update of your docking station model. Then open Device Manager and expand Display Adapter and right click your Intel, AMD or Nvidia graphics adapter and select Update Driver. Now restart your computer for all updates are installed and reconnect the dock and check whether the monitor is detected. Fix 4. Check Windows display setting. So right click on an empty area of your desktop and select display setting. Now scroll down to the multiple display section and click the detect button to search for connected monitor. If the monitor appear, select it from the display diagram. Choose extend this display if you want extra screen space. Now choose duplicate this display if you want both screens to show the same content. Click apply to save the changes and verify that the monitor now display an image. The fix 5. Test different dock port. Disconnect the monitor from the current HDMI or DisplayPort connection. Connect it to another available update output on the dock. Wait a few seconds for display to recognize the monitor. Then test both HDMI and DisplayPort output if your dock support them. If the monitor works on a different port, the original port may be defect or require a firmware update. The fix 6. Verify Thunderbolt or USB-C authorization. Open Thunderbolt Control Center on your ThinkPad. Check whether the docking station appear in the connected device list. Then approve or authorize the dock if prompted. And select Always Connect when available. Now disconnect and reconnect the docking station and test the monitor's connection again after authorization is completed. The fix 7. Update the ThinkPad BIOS. So open Lenovo Vantage and check for BIOS update. Install any available BIOS update for your ThinkPad model. Then keep the laptop connected to AC power during the update process. Allow the system to restart automatically after installation. Reconnect the docking station and monitor. Check if the external display is now detected properly. The fix 8. Test the monitor directly with the laptop. So disconnect the monitor from the docking station. Connect the monitor directly to your ThinkPad using the same cable and check whether the monitor display an image. If the monitor works directly, the issue is likely related to the dock, firmware or dock setting. Then if the monitor still does not work, The cable, monitor, or graphics settings may be causing the problem. Then you can test with another monitor if available to further isolate the issue. Goodbye and thanks for watching.